I bet you didn't realize why some of your friends don't watch your videos. And guess what? Some of them don't like you though. Number one, algorithm driven exposure. So this whole app is about exposing you to the best and latest videos, the latest trends, all that kind of stuff. So sometimes if your friends are already watching you and they're supporting you, they're not going to really see it that much on the For You page. That's one of the reasons why it's very important that you repost a lot of your friends' videos so it can get exposed to newer people and have a better chance of living and finding a new home. Number two, content saturation. Your friends get put millions of videos every day. Millions of videos go in their faces all the time. And like you said, you're competing with other individuals. So if they are your friends and they are trying to look for something new, the algorithm is definitely going to put in other content that your friends may really enjoy. So it's really not you, it's them. Three, different interests and preference. Now look at this. A lot of your friends are great people. They're great individuals. But your girl who likes to only sit and bathe in the sun and smoke some devil's lettuce may not want to see your heavy metal videos or something of that nature. So you need to make sure that if you are making videos, don't expect those type of individuals to watch their videos. They may want to support, but it may not interest them. Their time is valuable. Your time is valuable. If you are making videos, make sure you're doing your job and making it very interesting, very good for the people that you are making it for. Make sure you have the audience in mind and leave your friends alone. Hey, if they're going to support you, they're going to. But other than that, just let them be and make the best content that you can make.